Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions at the 10th Annual Photo Managers Conference, and I'm here with Laura Woolsey, and you're from Austin, Texas.
That's right.
And your company is Memory Forward. And tell us, what's something that you've done with a client that was interesting this past year?
Yeah, we had the awesome opportunity this year to work directly with a film director who was making a documentary. He's based out of LA. We're in Austin, which is a common place for film directors to be. But he had a client her parents were the subject of the documentary, and she was based in Austin. So he flew out, met with her. We met with her. We gathered all the relevant materials from her deceased parents and helped her get that all digitized and then passed it on to the filmmaker himself. We haven't seen the end product yet. We're very excited to see that. It should be any day now. But our work will be featured in that. So we're very excited about that. And he was blown away with the quality that we provided, and seeing that on a film screen is going to be pretty exciting.
Oh, neat. So he's using it sort of as that B-roll film.
I imagine it's going to be cut in to tell the story because it's the pictures. These people were escaped the Holocaust essentially, and they've been huge donors in the Jewish community and in Israel as well. And there's just a fantastic story there that I don't even know all the details of, but we helped put it together, and I'm excited to see it.
That's fantastic. So not just using one person's photos, but multiple to tell their story so they'll last for generations. Great.
Yeah.
And we'll see you all next week.